Good day, I'm Caroline Brown-Thompson and this is your JIS News for Monday, May 13. Close to 150 new infant schools will be added to the stock of early childhood institutions this fiscal year as government moves to develop the country's human capital.
This year, 145 new infant schools will be started in Jamaica. And many of them, we've already identified some, will involve the merging of three of the smaller, roughly three, sometimes two, sometimes four, of the smaller institutions.
The Education Minister made the announcement while addressing the Zone 8 Early Childhood Symposium recently. A flood mitigation project is to begin in the next 2 weeks in the Plant and Garden Valley area of St. Thomas. 2 contracts totaling $88.2 million have been signed to begin the clearing of debris from rivers, drains and gullies. Pavement and Structures Limited is expected to complete the project in the next 2 months. The flood mitigation work will enhance the drainage system of the proposed agri-park in the Plant and Garden River Valley.
We're going to be putting in onions and some other crops, as also some sugarcane by some farmers who used to be on the estates.
The flood mitigation project was made possible through the Sugar Transformation Program funded by the European Union. The Agriculture Ministry will be teaming up with tertiary institutions on a joint research program to address critical challenges in the sector. A memorandum of understanding is to be signed with the University of the West Indies, University of Technology, Northern Caribbean University, and the College of Agriculture, Science and Education.
I think the significant convergence of interest and collaborative research will have a greater impact on the sector, rather than having each institution operating in a silo. This will complement existing programs with foreign-based universities and regional and international organizations.
Minister of Agriculture and Fisheries Roger Clark made the announcement during his contribution to the 2013-2014 sectoral debate in Parliament last Wednesday. He emphasized that the key to sustaining increased agricultural productivity was consistent, innovative research and the application of research findings. More than 60,000 residents from 14 communities along the Hayes Corridor in Clarendon are benefiting from a newly constructed multipurpose centre. The $24.3 million Wembley Centre of Excellence was built with funds from the Jamalco and Alcoa Foundation and support in both cash and kind from various community stakeholders. Among other things, the state-of-the-art facility features a meeting hall, homework centre with a library and reading area and an internet cafe. Minister of Science, Technology, Energy and Mining Philip Paulwell says government will be providing 16 computers for use in the Internet Cafe.
The Universal Service Fund has signed off on the project and will enable you to very quickly establish your computer facility here.
He also endorsed plans for computer training, counseling sessions and homework classes at the centre.
I believe that the services that are to be offered are services that will redound to the tremendous benefit of the community.
The Hayes facility represents one of 3 such centres that will be built as part of the company's social renewal program. And finally, the Technology Minister welcomed the recent donation of 10 computers to St. Michael's Primary School in Kingston. The computers, valued at $15,000 were presented to the institution by information technology firm GTech Jamaica. Minister Paulwell said the gesture supported government's vision for increased use of technology in education.
We are on a mission now to change the experience in the classroom and to enable Jamaican youngsters to be on the same level as youngsters anywhere else in the world.
And that's it for JIS News today. I am Caroline Brown-Thompson. Thanks for watching.